Hello there, Paul Blundell here from RadioJingles24.com, and this is my second video, and this one is all around sung jingles that we offer. So you're here in the booth. It's a lovely small area, but here we are, and yeah, I just want to talk about some of the jingles that we do, the sung jingles that we do. So if you place an order with us, we will do a sung jingle for you. You'll be glad to know it's not me that's singing, which is good, but we've got a nice American singer who will record them for you, and then I'll edit and produce them all into a jingle. Hopefully sound pretty good, and pretty cost effective as well. I'd like to think. I think that we maybe beat the market. I'll go out on a limb and say it, but yeah. A couple of things to note. The price is £59, I think, at the minute. We've got a special offer for an a cappella. The a cappella is just the dry sounding audio, so there's no music in that. I've got an example of an a cappella. So this is what you'd get. This will be the base package. You would receive an a cappella, and it'd sound a little bit like this.
All the biggest hits all day long. Total hits.
So I think that's pretty good. Pretty good. Then you can get a produced jingle if you want. You can add elements of production to it. We've got 6 bespoke beds that you can choose from. And choose one of the beds that you like, and we would make that into a slogan jingle. So a slogan sounds a little bit like this.
All the biggest hits all day long. Total hits.
So that's your slogan. Now there are other things that you can add to it if you like. You could get a ramp, for instance, and a ramp essentially is just a long sort of bed with the jingle at the end. So you can get, I'm just going to lower it down here so I can sort of speak a little bit while it's playing, but you can hear what the bed's like. I mean, it lasts, what, 54, 56 seconds. And you have this bit now that you can talk all over. So if you're a radio presenter or somebody who likes talking all over beds and all that kind of stuff, then you could get a ramp, and it all sounds pretty good. Certainly on the radio anyway. Let's just fast forward it a little bit. It just carries on like this, and then you get the sung bit at the end.
All the biggest hits all day long. Total hits.
There we go. And that's a ramp. Another thing you can get if you want as well is what's called a shotgun ID, and that's just a really shortened version of the slogan. So it probably would just say your station name. There wouldn't be a strapline in there as well. So you can get an a cappella. That's the base. Then you can add music, and you can get a slogan, and then you can add additional cuts if you like. You could get a ramp and a slogan, a shotgun ID as well if you like. It's worth noting as well that when you place an order, we are Radio Jingles 24. Typically you would receive your order back within 24 hours. On sung jingles though, I do say give it 2 days, worst case scenario, because there's a lot more production that needs to go into a sung jingle. So we would typically get it back within a day to you. It could potentially though take 2 days, but if you look around the market, you won't find many people who can sort of turn an order like that around in such a short time frame. There's no additional cost for that either. Also, you would get 100% royalty-free audio, so you know it can be used on a radio station, it can be used for commercials, anything like that. It's once you've bought it, you own it as well. Again, other companies that you might go to potentially would say, well, you can pay for a year and you can use it as much as you want for a year, but as soon as that year's up, do you know what? You either stop using it or you pay us again. None of that with us. As soon as you've bought it, it's yours forever and you own it. So yeah, if you want to have a listen to some of the demos, perhaps have a play around with the builder, online jingle builder. Just go to the website radiojingles24.com. You can also get sweepers and voiceovers and things like that. So we do adverts, radio sweepers, DJ drops, podcast intros, YouTube intros, all that kind of stuff can be purchased on there. We've got a number of voices, and prices for that start from £5. And again, 24-hour turnaround on those. So check that out if you like. radiojingles24.com. I'm going to add more videos to this where I run through I love using Adobe Audition. I've got it open here, where I kind of run through how I create a sweeper and how I create or produce the sung jingles when they come in, different plugins that I use and things like that, how I tidy up audio, remove noise, apply compression, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to do a number of videos on that. Just let me know in the comments down at the bottom anything that you'd like to see, and it would be really nice if you liked and subscribed as well, just so you'll be notified if new videos get put on. But for now, check the website radiojingles24.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.